Sairam children, good morning. We were doing exercise 2.1, copy down 6th question children. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7.3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7.3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? So that what you have to do here, you have to subtract. The width of the picture is how much? 7.3 by 5 centimeter. The width of the picture frame is how much? 7.3 by 10 centimeter. What is there in the question? How much should the picture be trimmed? From the picture you have to subtract frame, isn't it? Therefore the picture should be trimmed is equal to, what you have to do? What is the width of the picture? 7.3 by 5 centimeter. 7.3 by 5 centimeter minus the width of the picture frame is how much children? 7.3 by 10 centimeter minus 7.3 by 10 centimeters. After that 7.3 by 5 centimeters minus 7.3 by 10 centimeter. Now it is in mixed fraction, isn't it? Now convert this into improper fraction. 7 5s are 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 3, 35, 36, 37, 38. 38 by how much children? By 5 minus 10 7s are 70. 70 plus 3 is 73 by 10. What I did here, it was in mixed fraction. Now I had converted this into improper fraction. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 3 is 38 by the same denominator by 5. After that what I had did, 7 3 by 10. 10 7s are 70. 70 plus 3 is 73. 73 by 10. Next 5 and 10 denominators are different so that they are unlike fractions. Take LCM. 5 comma 10. Go for 2. 5 as it is. It will not divide, isn't it? 2 5s are 10. Next from 3 you can't. From 4 you can't. Go for directly 5. 5 1s are. Here also 1s are. So what are the factors? You will get 2 into 5 into 1 is equal to 2 5s are 10. 10 1s are 10. So LCM is equal to 10, isn't it? Next take down first fraction. 38 by 5 into LCM. 5 1s are 5 2s are. So 2 8s are 16. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Next 73 by 10 into LCM is how much children? 10. 10 1s are 10 1s are. So that it is 73. Now what you have to do? You have to subtract 76 by, what is the LCM? By 10 minus 73 by 10 is equal to 76 minus 73 is 3 by 10 centimeters. You have to trim to fit that picture inside the frame, isn't it? Thus the picture should be trimmed by how many centimeters children? 3 10 by 10 centimeters. This much they have to trim to fit that picture inside a frame. I think you had understood this. First what you have to do? First you have to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 7s are 35 plus 3 is 38 by 5 minus 10 7s are 70 plus 3 is 73 by 10. Denominators are different. Take LCM, you will get LCM as 10. So first fraction is 38 by 5 into LCM, you will get 76. Second fraction 73 by 10 into LCM 73. So that 76 minus 76 by 10, because the LCM is same, isn't it? Write down the same LCM. 76 by 10 minus 73 by 10 is equal to 76 minus 73 is 3 by 10 centimeters. How much the picture should be trimmed? 3 by 10 centimeters should be trimmed to fit that picture inside the frame. Next children, Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple. How much she ate? 3 by 5. In 5 parts, 3 parts she ate. Who ate? Ritu ate, isn't it? And the remaining apple was eaten by her brother, Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? I think orally you can answer. In 5 parts, 3 parts Ritu ate. How much Somu ate? Obviously 2 parts, isn't it? Who had the larger share? By how much? Take down. The part of an apple eaten by Ritu. How much she ate? 3 by 5 part. The part of the apple eaten by Somu. How much he ate? We don't know, isn't it? So in one apple minus 3 by 5. In one apple, 3 parts is eaten by Ritu. How much it is eaten by Somu? We don't know. That we have to calculate. 1 minus 3 by 5. This you can do like this also, children. 1 minus 3 by 5. Nothing is there means put 1 in the denominator. 1 and 5 LCM is 5. So that you can write here 1 by 1 into 5. So that answer will be 5. 3 by 5 into 5. 5 ones are cancels 3. So that 5 minus 3 by same LCM is equal to 5 minus 3 is 2 by 5. If you work out also no problem, or you can answer it orally. This is orally answered problem, children. Comparing the parts. Now what you have to do? How much part of the apple did Somu eat? So Somu ate how much? 2 by 5 part of the apple. Next, after that what you have to do? Who had the larger share? At that time what you have to do? You have to compare how much Ritu ate and how much Somu ate, isn't it? Comparing the parts of the apple eaten by Ritu and Somu. How much Ritu ate? 3 by 5. How much Somu ate? 2 by 5, isn't it? Next, what you have to do next? Compare 3 by 5 and 2 by 5, write together and compare. So denominators are same. So the 3 is greater than 2. So 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5, if you do 1 by 5 you will get. So Ritu's part is 1 by 5 more than Somu's part. What is the last part of the question? Who had the larger share? 3 by 5 Ritu ate, 2 by 5 Somu ate. So Ritu ate more. By how much she ate? 1 by 5 she ate more. So Ritu's part is 1 by 5 more than Somu's part. I think you had understood this sum, isn't it? And this you have to copy down to your notes, children. Next, after that, take down 8th question. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hour. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hour. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? Michael finished coloring the same picture in 7 by 12 hour. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hour. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? How to do this? Same picture is given for Michael and Vaibhav. Michael took 7 by 12 hour and Vaibhav took 3 by 4 hour. Who colored? By what fraction was it longer? Who worked longer? That they had asked, isn't it? Next, Michael finished. Time taken by Michael to color the picture. How much time Michael had taken? 7 by 12 hour. Time taken by Vaibhav to color the picture. How much time Vaibhav had taken? 3 by 4 hour. So converting both fractions into like fractions, 7 by 12 and 3 by 4. First you have to compare, isn't it, children? 7 by 12. 3 by 4 you can convert this into like fractions. 3 by 4, multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. Why are you multiplying it by 3? Because here 12 is there. You have to equalize the denominator. Then only you can compare who worked longer, isn't it? So here 7 by 12 is there. Here 3 by 4 is there. Definitely you can convert the denominator, given denominator, into 12. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. So that you will get answer as 9 by 12. Isn't it? Now 7 by 12 and 9 by 12 you write down here and compare. So 7 is less than 9, isn't it? So 7 is less than 9. So Michael worked shorter period than Vaibhav, isn't it? 7 by 12. 9 by 12 is what? 3 by 4, isn't it? 7 by 12 is less than 3 by 4. Thus Vaibhav worked longer time. Vaibhav worked longer by 3 by 4 minus 7 by 12. You have to do it, children. You will come to know who worked longer. Vaibhav worked longer. So that the bigger fraction you have to put in the front and you have to subtract. So 9 by 12 is nothing but what? 3 by 4. 3 by 4 minus 7 by 12. 4 and 12 you have to take LCM. 4 and 12 you have to take LCM because the denominators are different. And by what fraction was it longer? They had asked in the question. You have to subtract and you have to find by what fraction was it longer, isn't it? Now take LCM. 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 1s are 1s are. So that 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 is equal to 1 3s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 12 is the LCM. First fraction is 3 by 4 into 12. 4 1s are 4 3s are. 9 is the answer, isn't it? Next, 7 by 12 into 12. 12 ones are 12 ones are. 7 is the answer. Now subtract it, children. 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12 is equal to 9 minus 7 is 2 by 12. So simplify to the lowest form. 2 ones are 2 6 are. The answer is 1 by 6, isn't it? Thus, Vaibhav took 1 by 6 hour more than Michael. How much Vaibhav took? Vaibhav took 1 by 6 hour more than Michael. Once again, I'll explain. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hour. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture by 3 by 4. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? So time taken by Michael 7 by 12 hour. Time taken by Vaibhav 3 by 4 hour. Now you have to compare. To compare you need a like fraction. Here the fractions are not like, isn't it? Here denominator is 12. Here the denominator is 4. To equalize this, you have to make the denominator same. Next step, what you have to do? 7 by 12 as it is, you write 3 by 4. 4 can be converted into 12. How? By multiplying both numerator and denominator by 3. So 3 by 4 into multiply it by 3. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. 9 by 12 is how much, children? Vaibhav took that much time to color the picture, isn't it? Now 7 by 12 as it is and 9 by 12 as it is, you write 7 by 12, you know it is given in the question. 9 by 12 how you got? By equalizing the denominator, because you have to compare who worked longer. To compare that, you need to write the same denominators. To that you had multiplied both numerator and denominator by 3, so that you got 9 by 12. Vaibhav worked 9 by 12 hours more. So that 9 by 12 you write 7 is less than 9. So how much time? Vaibhav worked shorter time when compared to Michael worked shorter time when compared to Vaibhav, isn't it? So that 7 by 12 is less than 3 by 4 is nothing but 3 by 4 is nothing but 9 by 12. Thus Vaibhav worked longer. Who worked longer? 7 by 12 or 9 by 12, children? 9 by 12 is more. So Vaibhav worked longer. How much longer he worked? So what you have to do? What is the fraction given in the question? Vaibhav worked 3 by 4 minus 7 by 12. 4 and 12, take LCM. You will get 12 as answer. So 3 by 4 into 12. Simplify, you will get 7 by 12 into 12. You will get the answer is 7. 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12. If you subtract, you will get 2 by 12. 2 ones are 2 6 are. 1 by 6 is the answer. So that thus Vaibhav took 1 by 6 hour more than Michael. So that who worked more time? Vaibhav worked more time. How much he worked more? 1 by 6 hour more when compared to Michael, children. All these 3 sums you have to copy down in your notes. Write neatly. After each sum, draw a line, write date and learn, children. Every day you must learn that particular portion. Thank you.